Hello, and thank you for your interest in joining our Rescue Reef program for a day of coral restoration on the beautiful reefs of South Florida. We look forward to having you join our team of scientists to learn more about coral reef research and conservation. Before we get out on the water, we want to give you an overview of what to expect.
Our Rescue Reef citizen science expeditions are half-day, 2-dive outings. Before getting into the water, make sure to talk to one of the dive masters on board to ensure that your equipment is set up properly. If you're using new gear, make sure that you're weighted adequately before we go below the surface.
Our first stop of the expedition will be to our underwater coral nursery located off Key Biscayne. The nursery is approximately 2 miles offshore in 30 feet of water on a sand patch surrounded by coral reef. The nursery is home to 30 coral trees that house over 3,000 total coral of various species. At the nursery, divers will assist with maintaining our nursery trees using a wire brush and collecting coral fragments using a pair of snips. We suggest placing the snips at the middle of the coral instead of all the way around it. This allows for easier collection. Snorkelers will have the opportunity to explore the nursery from above and observe the divers working below.
Once the work is completed at our nursery, all participants will return back to the boat with their newly collected coral colonies. From there, we'll head to the restoration site. On the way, snorkelers will build coral cookies to be outplanted onto the reef. At the reef, you will work in tandem with our scientists to outplant the nursery corals and continue to rebuild the reef. You will end the dive with a survey of a previously restored site. Meanwhile, snorkelers will have the opportunity to play coral bingo to help monitor reef biodiversity. It is important to remember to practice reef-safe diving, to always be aware of your surroundings, to keep your fins off the bottom, and to not harm the corals.
We want to thank you again for working with us, supporting our program, and making a positive impact on the reef. We look forward to seeing you out on the water.